Welcome to Anyone Can Do This. I'm so excited for another cooking day because guess what? I get to teach you and then I get to eat. What a fun. All right, let's see what's in the basket this week. All right. Oh, garlic, fresh garlic, French green beans, some roasted lentils. How to cook a buttery French bean. So let's go to the stove and get this going, okay? So we have the stove here. I'm gonna blanch it. So put some water on, bring it up to a boil. I'm gonna blanch it and then I'm gonna finish this off in a pot with some garlic, some butter. The reason why I'm blanching it is just to help it cook faster instead of trying to cook everything on the stove. It'll take a little longer. So now the water is coming to a boil. I'm gonna blanch my green beans right now, okay? So be careful when you put in it. Always safety, right? Anyone could blanch green beans. Don't buy green beans cooked outside. It makes no sense. Okay? So I'm gonna leave the in, and I would say maybe 5 minutes or until it's soft to your tender. So I'm gonna put a little bit of salt in there. Just a little bit, okay? So in the meanwhile, I have a pan here on medium-high heat, getting hot. I'm gonna add some olive oil. You could have any oil that you have, but I always have olive oil. I'm gonna have butter. I have butter. Don't freak out. Okay, I'm not a doctor. I'm just a cook here. Okay, put that in there. Okay, beautiful garlic that you see. Put garlic because I just want to flavor. I put it in there. Okay. I find some herbs in the fridge. Some rosemary. You know, these rosemary look like they have better days too. A lot of vegetables, not only me. I look like I have better days. I'm gonna put that in there. Wow. This garlic and rosemary and butter. This part is done. So now I get all the liquid out here. Then I'm gonna put it there. You hear that? This is why I didn't want too much water in there, okay? So I gotta add a couple more things in there to really bring this together good. Fresh black pepper or white pepper, whatever you have in your house. Moving it around. This is a good side dish here. Okay, then I'm gonna do a bit of more salt. Remember, this in the restaurant, they want to sell you $10 or $12 for a side. That's nonsense. You do it here. You come to this channel. You tell your friends about this channel. Anyone can do it. Okay. All right. So, salt is good. Everything is good. You know the next thing you can do if you want to squeeze some a nice squeeze of fresh orange if you have, or lemon if you wish. But right now, for me, this is fantastic. Yes, this is fantastic. Don't put anything more in it. It's good. Now we're gonna go and plate it. Okay. So you take these beautiful beans that you just did. Oh, it smells so fantastic. The garlic is toasty and nice. You put it there. Don't afraid. The roasted lentils. It's a roasted barbecue lentils I actually get. You just put it over it like that. So I have some of these radishes, and on one of my videos you can see I talk about a radish. It's just for garnish, it'll look good. Presentation, you have some friends over here, want to impress them. I don't know where to start. Okay, let's start at the back here. So, one word, amazing. You need to try it, okay? I want to say to you, you try this and give me a comment and tell me if it's not as beautiful as I tell you it is and I taste it. Fantastic. Anyway, thank you for watching Anyone Can Do This. Please subscribe to this channel and ask any question you want. If you want to see I cook something different, please come and ask, okay? But please remember, every Sunday I drop a new video for you, all right?